Dear friends, in integer chapter exercise 1.3 we have the sixth question. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius. So for freezing process temperature must be decreased from room temperature by 40 degrees Celsius at a rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. Please note the rate is of decrease 5 degrees Celsius. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? Now let us understand the question solution. So a certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius. It means initial temperature is given to us. Initial temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. Initial, you can say starting temperature is 40 degrees Celsius and it is to be lowered. So change in temperature, rate of change of temperature is minus 5, since it is decreased, minus 5 degrees Celsius per hour. What will be the room temperature after 10 hours? In 1 hour it decreases by 5 degrees Celsius, that is temperature becomes negative 5 degrees Celsius after every hour. So after 10 hours, so change in temperature after 10 hours is equal to 10 multiplied by negative 5. So this is equal to 5 10s are 50 and positive into negative is negative 50 degrees Celsius. Change in temperature is negative 50 degrees Celsius. Now initial temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. So the temperature after 10 hours is, therefore temperature after 10 hours will be 40 minus 50 degrees, that is equal to degrees Celsius, that is equal to, now this is positive 40 and negative 50, both are having opposite signs. We have to do the subtraction between the magnitude of the integers. So 50 minus 40 is 10 and give the sign of bigger magnitude integer here. Bigger magnitude integer is 50, so its sign is minus 10 degrees Celsius. So after 10 hours the temperature will be negative 10 degrees Celsius. Dear friend, in first chapter exercise 1.3 we have 7th question. In a class test containing 10 questions. So a test was conducted in a class and test was having 10 questions. 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer. So if the answer is correct, 5 marks were given. And negative 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer. So if answer is wrong, negative 2 marks are given. And 0 for questions not attempted. So if questions are not attempted, then 0 marks were awarded. Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answers. What is his score? So let us calculate the Mohan's marks first. So solution is, test contains 10 questions. Test contains 10 questions. Then 5 marks are awarded for correct answer. So marks awarded for correct answer is equal to 5. Then marks, you can say allotted also, awarded also. Marks awarded for incorrect answer is equal to negative 2. And marks awarded for not attempt questions. Marks awarded for non-attempting questions. Marks awarded For non-attempting, 0 per question. So let us calculate Mohan's marks. Mohan gets 4 correct answers. We will calculate correct answers separately and incorrect answers separately. So Mohan gets 4 correct answers. So marks received by Mohan for correct answers is equal to 5 marks are awarded for correct answer and his 4 answers were correct. So 5 into 4, that is equal to 20. Now marks received by Mohan for incorrect answers is equal to his 6 were incorrect answers. So marks allotted were -2 multiplied by 6. So this is equal to 6 2s are 12 and negative will be negative. So total marks received will be, so marks awarded to Mohan are, total marks is equal to 20 plus -12. So this, try to understand, this is positive into negative, will be 20 minus 12, that is equal to 8 marks. So Mohan was awarded with 8 marks. Next is marks awarded to Reshma for correct answers. Correct answers is 5 into 5, that is equal to 20. Reshma gets 5 correct answers. So 5 correct answers multiplied by 5 marks are allotted for correct answer. So 5 into 5 is 25. And marks awarded to Reshma for incorrect answers will be, her 5 answers are wrong, 5 are incorrect answers. So -2 marks are allotted for incorrect answers. So -2 into 5, that will be 5 2s are 10 and negative sign will be there. So total marks will be addition of this. So total marks awarded to Reshma are 25 plus -10. This plus into minus will become negative. 25 minus 10. 25 minus 10 is 15. So total marks received by Reshma are 15. Last part of the question. Hina gets 2 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers, and out of the 7 questions she attempted. So marks awarded to Hina for correct answers are 5 for each correct answer. 5 into 2 is 10. Then marks awarded to Hina for incorrect answers. -2 marks are allotted for incorrect answers. So -2 into 5 attempted questions. So -2 into 5 is again 5 2s are 10 minus 10. And marks awarded to Hina for non-attempted questions. Please note, marks awarded for non-attempting questions are 0. So they are 3. So 0 into 3 is 0. So total marks received or total marks allotted to Hina are this 10 plus -10, 10 plus -10 plus 0. You will get 10, this plus into minus will become minus, 10 minus 10, that is equal to 0. So 0 marks are allotted or 0 marks are awarded to Hina.